Hello darkness, my old friend. Eskom has brought you here again. I haven't had a warm shower in days. I'm pretty sure I smell like mayonnaise. And all the chicken in the freezer has gone bad and it looks gross. Peggy and all because of Eskom. Cyril promised this would be so, but he just lied, we should have known. The man is basically Pinocchio. How else would you explain his growing nose? Baluda says there's no corruption in the ANC. This clown thinks we're stupid. He should just stick to Twitter. The suffering, it knows no end. Those dinosaurs in Parliament are old enough to pass for fossil fuels. I bet they went to school with Moses too. And we're supposed to act like everything's okay while they just lose. And Texia La Llega.